ETW Universe, welcome to Spartan's Wish, where tonight we'll be seeing the Intercontinental Championship be put on the line between Apollo and Thunderstrike in a tables match.
You don't win, and you get you with an ice shot.
Hey, coup de grace will be here. Coup de grace was here, but Striker came just too late. Looking for a guillotine, but no. Mute pushes Striker away. Look at Thunder. Oh my
Win
goodness.
an elite championship, he would get an intercontinental shot, and it has been confirmed.
Come with me, wait, it's just about to break. It's more than I can take.
Mop. Power bomb.
In my veins, it's not going away. Everything's about to change. Creeps in like a thief in the night.
See this? It's gonna be nice for a long time.
Raise up your swords, don't be afraid.
What do you mean he's not gonna be here? He has to be here now. We're gonna have a matchup next.
Rolls out the way, and a punch knocking him to the ground. Gone for the cover. And he's got it. He won.
Rolling at him like that, just.
Everything's about to change. I feel it.
Over.
Everything's about.
Thunder with a coup de grace or foot stomp. Here's the cover. And there's the match. Get the old introducing you. ETW, I don't think anyone's going to be taking this thing on anytime soon.
I'm gonna win that one.
This marks the new chapter of ETW. Guess what? This is going to be a long chapter. You know what? How about this? If you really want this so bad, I don't think you will mind taking some sort of interesting matchup. How about tables match?
Feel it in my veins. It's not going away. Everything's about to change. It's just about to break. It's more than I can take. Everything's about to change. I feel it in my veins. It's not going away. Everything's about to change.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Spartan's Wish. Tonight we have a huge matchup and we'll be seeing Thunderstrike versus Apollo in a tables match for the Intercontinental Championship. Now, Thunderstrike had to win a #1 contenders match, as you saw in the promo package, to get this opportunity. And then Apollo, the veteran he is, chooses or tricks and chooses a tables match. And it makes sense because Apollo is a much bigger opponent than Thunderstrike, and you can see he has a higher chance of winning because of that weight advantage. But now the bell begins. Thunder rolling into the action, into a lockup. Then Apollo goes Thunder tries to grab him, but Apollo's got him up. Maybe a power bomb. A attacking the back and then slamming him. And then straight away now getting up Thunder. And Apollo lifting up Thunder. And then now throwing him into the trampoline and throws him onto the ground. The power advantage. And then the missile drop kick. Getting into the suplex. What a German. And then now looks to be going to throw him into the trampoline. But then Thunder's up and a kick's knocking Apollo down. A kick to the midsection. Now looks to be getting Apollo out. This has been a quick pace match so far. Thunder hopping down. They were trying to end it already. And Apollo stopping him in his tracks. Lifting him up. Now carrying him over and throwing him onto the other trampoline. Grabs him with the cardboard and throws it onto Thunder, but he's caught it and driving it into the side of Apollo's neck. Favored the neck there. And then now slamming it again onto Apollo. And again. And then now driving. He's driven the knees. Using the cardboard to attack Apollo even more. And now quickly retreating. He has the advantage of agility and another lockup. And then quickly transitioning. Looking to lift him up. The power of Apollo. Throws him onto the other trampoline. Now looks to be grabbing the cardboard box. / table. Bringing it in. Thunder doesn't look too good now, placing it down, and a kick. And another kick to the midsection. And one more time. And again a knee, knocking Thunder down to the ground. And then whipping him with a rope. The rope coming into play now. Whipping Thunder multiple times with it. Wrapping it around, back on his arm. Using his strength to set him up on his feet again. And then now getting Apollo into the corner and going in for a chop. And now multiple chops to the chest of Thunderstrike. Thunder does not look too good. And then now getting him up. And now can he end it here already? Spine buster! But it didn't break. The table, cardboard box, whatever you want, didn't break. And now Apollo throwing it onto the ground. And now using, or getting him up now. Do a punch to the midsection, but then now Thunder now fighting back, kicks, knocked him down, driving the knees into the back of his head. Now gets him up, and now attacking the head multiple times, smacking it over and over again, and then attacking the midsection. No, coup de grace! Coup de grace again! And one more time! 3 coup de graces. My god. And then now Apollo pushing him onto the ground, now trying to recover. And now Apollo's up and same with Thunder. And Thunder kicks him, knocking Apollo down again. Retreating to the outside, grabbing the cardboard table box, trying to throw it to Apollo, but it doesn't get him. Apollo's saying, bring it on. And now kicking it. He kicked it against Apollo, and now shoving it onto Apollo, and a kick again using the cardboard box. Multiple shots. And now throwing it onto Apollo, almost burying him. And a smack to the head, driving that cardboard box table into the head 2 times the back of the skull of Apollo. And then now Thunder looks to try and get Apollo, trying to push him. Trying to push him down. Apollo using his agility to get out the way. Jumping over the cardboard box. And then now driving, oh my... like a Mario going into those green tunnels. Sending Thunder into a new dimension. The cardboard box is out of here. And now Apollo, he might be going for that future shock DDT. He's trying to go for it, but no he doesn't. And then now instead, going in for that full Nelson slam. And now quickly running, grabbing the box, driving it again. sending Thunder into World 1-2. Thunder getting out with a spin. And then now he's trying to attack. Oh, he's setting it up a bit more. Then he loses focus and he's got to pay for it now. By looks things, he's paying for it. Apollo shots to the midsection of Thunderstrike. And then now, what's he doing? They're throwing him onto the table. And the match is set. Apollo has won and retained the Intercontinental Championship. A very quick match, I must say. And now he's unwrapping the rope. Must have been on his wrist. Now he's grabbing him now. And they're throwing him onto the ground. I'm a bit worried now. What is Apollo have in mind for Thunder? Setting him up onto the trampoline. Thunder doesn't know where he is. And then now, Apollo grabbing the rope, and now it looks like he's wrapping the rope around his wrists. Or attempting to so far. He's got one wrist. I think Thunder is just gotten conscience back. Yeah, he has conscience back. He's trying to get out, but he doesn't have the energy to fight back. Apollo wrapping it around his mouth. You can tell the eyes. Thunder is conscious, but he doesn't have the strength. And a chop. 2, 3. 3 chops straight to the chest. Thunder doesn't even have the strength. Now, what is Apollo have that bag for? And now smacking onto the wrists. Thunder he can't even react. He's that dead. He is that out of energy, that he doesn't even know what's going on. And humiliating Thunder with the old Intercontinental Championship, smacking him. Now punches to the gut multiple times with the plastic bag over Thunder's head. Now grabbing him, throwing it onto the ground, using a piece of wood, putting it on his feet, but then Thunder kicks it off. Apollo, what does he have the chair for?
This looks like what? Oh, still got some fight left in you, don't you?
Like, he's not gonna do this, is he? He's not gonna somebody do something! Oh wait, it's Striker! Striker's here! He's smacking on the back of Apollo with the chair, and Thunder's out of here. And now, my God, Thunder is gone and Striker's helping. Ah, Thunder's back! Wait, is this a Strike Force reunion? What is this? Both of them teaming on Apollo. Striker doesn't look like he wants to do this though. Now Thunder grabbing the chair, looks like he wants his revenge. And no, Striker gets it and throws it.
Now.
Yelling at Thunder to get out of here.
Now I only wanted to be here to watch from his back. You're taking it too far. There's never taken it too far. Even you yourself. Everyone in ETW said it before. ETW is war. And in war, you gotta do whatever it takes to win. And guess what? I did do whatever it took. And guess what? I won. And I didn't need help from some big guy. I won all by myself. Just me. Apollo, the god of war. The god of ETW. Because ETW is war. Damn it!
Striker very frustrated with his actions that he had to do. Apollo looks to be getting the better of him. Hope you enjoyed.
Your mind disintegrates.